Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series, I'm going to explain you about the Python basics. So, if you are already familiar with these basics of Python, I prefer this series is not for you guys. Um, okay, before starting it, let us install Python in your machines. So, visit the website www.python.org. So, I have already opened for you guys to just give a view of that. There are various versions like 3 point versions and 2.0 versions, 2 point series versions. So I'm going with the 3 point versions in this series. So I prefer you guys to download the same versions here. There is available for even for Macs as well as Windows. Click on this Windows one. As I've already downloaded this, I'm just directly going to show you that. So this is the one which I've downloaded. Let me try to install that. I'm just clicking the default one, install now. This is probably going to take some time, so I'm going to pause it for until it gets finished. Yeah, Python has been successfully installed in my machines. Okay, I'm just going to close this. Okay, to use the editor for this, I'm going to use this Komodo Editor, and we have the two versions like ID versions as well as editor versions. ID is a paid versions. It costs you around like $3 to $4 for your personal use. So to just change to check the difference between the what is actually ID provides and what is the editor provides, so you can go through these options here. So for me, as of now, I'm going with the editor version. So I'm going to click on this download editor, so which points me to the other page. So download this Komodo editor, the starting one. I've already downloaded that. Let me show you. So I've already downloaded and kept it. Let me install even this as well. Run. Next. Accept the license agreements. Click next. It just requires like 258 MB in the in your system. So just click on next and install it. Okay, this is installed Komodo, so I don't want to use a user guide, so I'm going to click on finish button here. So this is a Komodo shortcut which is good, which is just got created. So whenever you open for the first time, this is how it looks. The editor, you want to set to your default thing. You can set your color with the default any whatever you require here. So I'm going with the default color here, and click on next. And the init width is like 4. So okay, I'm fine with that. Okay, click on next and click on finish. So you can see this window here. Okay, let me make it big. Okay, um, so this is how the UI looks for this. Okay, just a second. Okay, this is how the UI looks. To prefer that, so I'm going to make some changes here so that these changes need to be done even with your systems as well. Regarding the appearance, so I have the same things, so we can even change the font as well. Okay, let me change to um, I don't know, and type be maybe 12, maybe 13. Okay, I'm just applying that. And code intelligence, okay, these things and all you can set. Go to the internalization, and here you need to set is UT of 8. So make sure you set for even for Python to UT of 8, as well as for Python 3 to UT of 8 for decoding, so that this one will be used correctly here while compiling and running your programs. Okay, uh, okay, I'm going to apply and say okay for this. And I'm going to click on this right panel here to show this, and let us create a run command here. Go on, right click on this, add new command. Here we have a command here. Okay, so just type py space and click on this. You get a file path. Click on this, and this file path should be in here. We should provide same as I provided you here. Py run this command. This is just a label, so I'll give as a an R command. So click on the next advanced option, and you have something called directory. Click on that. Okay, and key bindings, you can give a new key sequence like Control Shift R. So just add it here. You can see this R here. Okay, okay, once you set that Control R, so you can see here it got saved it here. So I'm going to hide this tab. So let me open the directory Python only. Okay, we have here hello version for Python. Let me run this hello version. So here I'll explain you detailedly what's happening here. Let's run with the whether our setup is running fine or not. Control Shift R I'm pressing. So you can see here this output has been successfully displayed, saying that it has been so whatever we have set up is fine and working well. So we can see here we have installed the Python version 3.6.4.